Hey guys, Blockchain Capital here. I wanted to talk about Bitcoin for a little bit since we have a lot of resistance here about the 11,700 mark. Uh, it looks like we're grinding higher for now. We broke this line right here, which is always a good thing. We're holding above the 20 moving average. But we have a lot of resistance here at 11.7 mark. Now if we break higher, then we're gonna be aiming to about 14,000 or so. We're probably gonna move, we'll have the next leg higher, but we'll have to wait and see what happens here. If not, we could probably see another pullback to about the 10,000 level. That will be kind of the line in the sand. If we do break below that, then we're probably gonna head a lot lower. We could even see a next leg lower to 4,200. Let's hope that doesn't happen. However, if we do see another leg lower, that will be a very, very good time to buy and load up on Bitcoin. The other one that I wanted to talk about was Litecoin. That one is looking fairly good too. In Litecoin, let's look at the 1 day. Litecoin, we are we're kind of grinding. We don't really have a path after we broke above here this line. This one, when we had that Litecoin cash thing coming out, we had that massive spike. Right now, I'm very bullish Litecoin overall. However, in the daily chart, we're just kind of holding the 20 moving average. Let's look at the 4 hour and see what it's telling me. If we do break lower, here's kind of my line in the sand. If we go above this line right here, we can even see testing about 186 or 175 before we move higher. Since it's not doing anything, the moving averages are starting to get flat, which that usually doesn't give me a lot of a bullish signal, if I would say. The other one that I wanted to talk about, it's Monero. Monero looks pretty good, bullish wise. I'm seeing, typically I like to see the head and shoulders patterns when we're in the bottom. However, if we look at this right here, here's one shoulder, another shoulder, and then here's your head. It looks like this is a somewhat decent head and shoulders, kind of like a complex one. If we were to break this line here in the sand, we would be pushing a lot higher. If we were to measure this, you want to measure from here, about there. So we're aiming about crypto lows, nice round numbers, so about 600 or so on Monero. Also seeing that Monero looks like a very solid project. Now, I'm not a fundamental expert, and I'm more like a technical guy. So from a technical perspective, that looks good. The other one that I wanted to mention was Wavi.